What's the situation?
We have a zombie apocalypse in the side of the rendezvous point. We have to clear that out, and then we're going to get to the special area.
What is the special area?
The zombie base. Take that out, and we wait all the zombie infected.
Okay, good. Let's go.
Let's go, team. Let's go.
Too bad our sensitive camera doesn't work as well as we thought it would. So the camera will be fine if we can't find the rest of this apocalypse. Dear God, yes, the people are okay.
And Danny, thank you.
Here's the door. Break it down.
Whoa. Danny, last one out.
Whoa, did you hear that? Like, ew. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
Did you hear that? Danny, turn on your flashlight. Good. Just to let you know that this is what it looks like without my flashlight. Told you, completely dark. So all you can see is just the road down there. Let's go. And make sure that we're completely unseen for now. We're completely unseen for now. We're right here at the door. Dogs are barking because they have no clue what to do. Zombies! Take them out! Ryan, take them out! Good job, you guys. Take them out. Let's go.